People have been observing and measuring the world around them since time immemorial. With increasingly accurate measuring instruments, our understanding of the world grows deeper and deeper, which leads to human advancement and greater interconnectedness. Yet for this to happen, you need this, and in order for this to function, you need sensors. Without sensors, nothing is possible. And ideally, the temperature sensors from SIKA, which are reliable and specially tailored to our customers' requirements. The need to measure is everywhere, and the requirements we have to meet are as diverse and varied as the range of possible applications. Our strength lies in recognizing these requirements and implementing them in a product on a custom basis. We are at your service, from the initial concept to tailored advice to the solution. Sensors are as inconspicuous as they are crucial for smooth operation in systems and machines. A sensor failure can trigger a chain reaction. That's why we extensively test our sensors and ensure that they comply with the applicable standards. Whether you are starting a new application or implementing measures as part of the energy transition, we stay in constant communication with you to help you confidently plan your future. And our promises are more than just empty talk. That's why we provide separate documentation with all of our sensors. Every single one. You can trace the history of each individual sensor right down to the last detail. Just scan and find out. No sensor without a certificate. That's our promise, so that you can focus on what's important. See for yourself. SIKA, the reliable choice for temperature sensors.